let's explore Splash. First up is Splash Water Park. This place truly feels like a resort in your backyard, and it's honestly going to make a splash when you see it. Come on. And for my thrill seekers, the Rip-Tide slides are a must-do. This is actually one of the tallest slides here in Northeast Florida. Looking for something a little more mellow? Well, the Lazy Tide Rivers is perfect for you. There's 450 square feet of this. Every day at Nocatee feels like a vacation. Now this one is top secret. There is an adults only pool here in Nocatee to actually relax, and it's happy hour all the time because the bar's over here. I'll be over there. Do you remember when I was up on the slide at the highest peak in Northeast Florida with the water slide? Well, there's actually a zip line there as well. I'm scared of heights, so we're gonna pretend like I went on it. Ready? I'm off. That was so cool. You should try it. And perfect for your little adventurer is the obstacle course. Let's go try it. Did you think that was all? This is Spray Water Park, one of the largest of its kind here in Northeast Florida, and it's exclusive just to Nocatee. Yes, that's right. There's a 4-story interactive aquatic playground that you get to enjoy, and there's other features I can't wait to show you. Come on. And it's not only about the splash parks and the playgrounds, but also the main pool is 17,000 square feet of family fun here at Serenity Bay. And for my thrill seekers, you thought those slides over there in Splash were something? Well, the ones at Spray are even bigger. So big, I'm actually scared to go up there and actually go down them. But they are amazing, and talk about going headfirst into these Nocatee amenities. This one will definitely get you there. And for our smaller residents, of course, because you know we have something for all ages, we have something for you too. We have Splash Cove, where you can splash around and have a great time, and parents, you don't have to worry about them. And for when the kids start looking like raisins and they need to dry out a little bit, they have a perfect park that's also shaded as well, so they can get out those water zoomies. So why are the Nocatee Water Park such a big deal to residents? Well, it's more than just a pool in your neighborhood. This is a community hub. It's where neighbors connect, families make memories, and honestly, who wouldn't want to call this place home? The Nocatee community is known for its amazing lifestyle that it represents, because after all, it's not just buying a house, it's buying a lifestyle. And Nocatee, with these water parks and all the amenities they offer here, are a prime example of how much they keep that first in this neighborhood. And beyond just the water park, Nocatee offers an array of amenities that honestly just enhance your life here in Northeast Florida. So if you're looking for more than just a house in another neighborhood, but you're looking for a community where you could truly connect and make memories, but also make friends who moved here for the exact same reason, I would highly recommend looking into Nocatee. So if you're researching Nocatee and wondering if this is the right neighborhood for you, besides the world-class amenities, it has an amazing lifestyle that it offers. If you like this video and it helped you just a little bit on your decision making, make sure you thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And also in the comments, tell me what your favorite water park amenity that I showed is. Bye.